Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by diagnosing where the delay originates on your device and network. Check your ping and aim for under 100 ms for stable Roblox play. Test upload and download speeds and confirm they are at least 5 Mbps each for multiplayer responsiveness. Observe CPU and GPU usage while running Roblox and keep both below 80% to avoid processing delays. Note whether delay happens consistently or only in specific games to narrow down the cause quickly. Open Roblox settings and set graphics mode to manual to control quality precisely. Cap the frame rate at 60 FPS to stabilize timing and reduce stutter during motion. Lower render distance and decrease texture quality to reduce GPU workload in crowded scenes. Disable VSync if you notice input lag and turn off unnecessary background apps to free CPU cycles. Close overlays like recording software and web browsers to keep system resources focused on gameplay. For consistent low latency, switch from Wi-Fi to a wired Ethernet connection or use a 5 GHz band. Configure your router to forward UDP ports 49152-65535 to improve connectivity to Roblox game servers. Update your network adapter and GPU drivers to eliminate software bottlenecks that cause delay. Disable VPNs, proxies, and any bandwidth throttling apps while you play. If issues persist, clear Roblox cache or reinstall the client to remove corrupted files causing input or network delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.